Welcome to Process Insight, where industrial motion never stops. Today, we take you inside a modern pear processing plant, where fresh, juicy pears are transformed into crystal clear pear juice. This is not just juice, it's a complete journey, from farm to factory to the final bottle. If you enjoy smooth production lines, automated machines, and satisfying factory processes, then this video will keep you hooked till the very end. Let's begin. The journey begins with the arrival of freshly harvested pears. Large trucks loaded with pears enter the factory early in the day. These pears come directly from farms, still carrying natural dust, leaves, and minor impurities. The unloading process starts immediately. Using automated systems and conveyors, the pears are transferred onto production lines. From this point forward, everything moves in a continuous, synchronized flow. The first and most critical step is washing. The pears are moved into large stainless steel washing tanks filled with clean water. In some cases, mild food-safe cleaning solutions are also used. High-pressure water jets spray the pears from all angles, removing dirt, dust, and pesticide residues. Rotating drums and bubbling systems gently move the pears around, ensuring every surface is thoroughly cleaned. At this stage, hygiene is everything. The quality of the final juice depends heavily on this process. After washing, the pears move onto sorting conveyors. Here, both automated systems and human workers work together to inspect quality. Advanced optical sorting machines scan each pear using cameras and sensors. They check for size, shape, color, surface defects. At the same time, workers manually remove damaged or overripe fruits. Only the best quality pears continue forward in the process. Now the clean pears enter the cutting section. High-speed machines slice the pears into smaller pieces. They also remove the core and separate the seeds. This process happens extremely fast. Hundreds of pears are processed every minute. The freshly cut pieces are immediately transferred to the next stage to maintain freshness and prevent oxidation. At this stage, the real transformation begins. The pear pieces are fed into large industrial crushers. These machines break them down into a thick pulp. The result is a soft, juicy mixture containing natural sugars, fiber, and liquid. The aroma of fresh pears becomes strong in this section, filling the entire production area with a sweet scent. The pulp is then transferred to large stainless steel tanks. Here, two important processes take place. Mild heating. The pulp is gently heated under controlled temperatures. This helps eliminate harmful bacteria and improves shelf life. Enzyme treatment. Special food-grade enzymes are added. These enzymes break down the pulp structure, making juice extraction easier. They also help improve clarity, which is essential for producing crystal clear juice. Now comes the main stage, juice extraction. The treated pulp is fed into powerful presses, such as hydraulic presses or belt presses. These machines apply pressure to separate the liquid from the solid material. On one side, clear pear juice flows out. On the other, solid waste, known as pomace, is removed. This pomace is not wasted. It is often reused as animal feed or compost.
At this point, the extracted juice is still cloudy. To achieve a crystal clear appearance, it goes through multiple filtration steps. The juice passes through fine mesh filters, centrifugal separators, and microfiltration systems. These processes remove tiny particles, fibers, and impurities. The result is a smooth, transparent, golden-colored pear juice. After filtration, the juice is rapidly cooled. Cooling helps preserve freshness, maintain natural flavor, and prevent bacterial growth. The juice is then stored in large sealed tanks until it is ready for bottling. Now the juice is ready for packaging. Empty bottles, either glass or plastic, are fed into the production line. Each bottle goes through washing, sterilization, precise filling, and airtight sealing. High-speed automated machines handle everything with perfect accuracy. Next, the filled bottles move to the labeling section. Machines apply labels to each bottle while printing batch numbers, manufacturing dates, and expiry dates. Now the product is fully branded and ready for the market. The bottles are grouped and arranged into cartons. Robotic arms carefully place them into boxes. The boxes are sealed and stacked onto pallets. Everything moves in perfect synchronization, a smooth and satisfying industrial flow. Finally, the packed products are loaded onto trucks. These trucks transport the juice to warehouses, supermarkets, retail stores, and eventually, to consumers around the world. And that's how fresh pears are transformed into crystal clear pear juice. From washing, to cutting, to extraction, to bottling. Every step is a perfect combination of technology, precision, and hygiene. If you enjoyed this satisfying factory journey, make sure to subscribe to Process Insight. Because here, industrial motion never stops. What process would you like to see next? Let us know in the comments below.